I'm so excited to share with you this super easy, high protein, high fiber mac and cheese Kraft Dinner dupe recipe.
I grew up eating a lot of processed foods. The 90s emphasized microwave, convenience, and fast foods. TV commercials were more relaxed than now, with lots of cartoon and creative characters, captivating scenarios, advertising for sweet treats, convenience foods, and fast foods for children. This made us ask our parents to buy foods like Hot Pockets, Pizza Pop, Pop-Tarts, Frosted Flakes, and of course, KD or Kraft Dinner. Does this sound like your childhood too? I watched a lot of TV and was consumed in a 90s convenience food craze, which is why my childhood diet wasn't the healthiest and why I also packed on the pounds. Nostalgic foods play an important role in our mental health, happiness, and for providing comfort. Sometimes I enjoy KD or Pizza Pops because the memory and taste brings me back to a simpler time. As I understand the nutritional information as a registered dietitian and food scientist, it brings me a lot of delight to be able to make healthier versions of foods I previously really enjoyed, while making it taste similar or just as good as I remembered. Which is why I'm happy to share with you this high protein, high fiber KD Kraft Dinner recipe in this video. It's super easy to make and only uses 5 ingredients. The recipe makes 2 servings. Each serving is just 340 calories, has 29 grams of protein and 6 grams of fiber. It's also gluten-free, but doesn't taste like it. I use this Kraft KD shaker that I picked up from Costco. It's also available on Amazon. Nutritionally speaking, the KD shaker is made from real cheddar cheese, whey, butter, and is colored naturally from turmeric, paprika, and annatto. Annatto is a red dye from tropical fruits. It's 25 calories per tablespoon, which is the same amount of calories as Kraft grated Parmesan cheese. The KD shaker is super cheesy, so a little goes a long way. I only use 2.5 tablespoons for 2 servings. You can of course add more if you like it more cheesy. 2.5 tablespoons was enough for me and resembled the KD taste I remember. The protein from my KD recipe is from the cottage cheese and from the Go-Go quinoa protein macaroni. The Go-Go quinoa macaroni is made from pea protein and pea flour, which is why it is higher in protein and fiber than regular macaroni. It does have a beanier taste. If you're not a fan of that, you can use the Go-Go quinoa rice, red, and white quinoa macaroni, which has the same shape but not quite as high in protein, but still high in fiber. Both of these pastas are gluten-free. This KD recipe is so easy to make.
Here's the recipe.
I use this Kraft KD shaker that I picked up from Costco. It's also available on Amazon. All you need to do is blend the sauce ingredients. Cook the pasta and stir the sauce mix into the pasta, just like regular KD. Try this recipe and let me know what you think. To make it a full meal, add a side salad or chopped veggies and add extra protein from a rotisserie chicken or turkey sausage. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to get notified when I post a new video. There will be more delicious recipes and practical weight loss content coming your way.